Alright, I'm pretty excited about this week's. I've got a homemade hoisin sauce, so let's get to work. For my hoisin sauce, I've got my dried fruits, and I'm going to steep those with some warm water overnight. Next morning I'll throw that in the blender. You can also put some coffee and soy sauce in the steeping liquid. Adds a little flavor. I've got some soy sauces, a little light soy sauce, and some regular soy sauce. Some molasses, add some rice wine vinegar, some tahini, some sesame oil, some fermented black beans, a bit of brown sugar, granulated garlic, some powdered ginger, some 5 spice powder, a bit of black pepper, some crushed red chilies, and some water. I rinsed out the cup with the fermented black beans with the water. And then blend it until it's nice and smooth. Check it, you may need to add a little more water to thin it down. And there you go, some beautiful homemade hoisin sauce. Alright, as I said, I'm pretty excited about that one. I needed some hoisin sauce, so I came up with that recipe. I couldn't find exactly what I wanted, so I just winged it on my own and came up with that one. So I hope you give that a try. Until next time, thanks for watching.